Hi guys, it's me again, Jared, your friendly Airbnb superhost. And for today's video, we will talk about sink and drainage clogs. So may problema ba kayo sa toilet and drainage nyo? And we both know hiring plumber is quite expensive nowadays, and if you will have trouble with your drains, this is the right video for you. As an Airbnb superhost, I experienced this type of issue on my listing because of various guests na nagbubook sa listing natin. So, hindi talaga maiiwasan na magka-clog ang mga drainage, especially sa kitchen, sink, and toilet drainage. Diba? So, I found this amazing product in Shopee called Wild Tornado Sink and Drain Cleaner. I thought at first mabubudol ako sa Shopee na naman. But when I look at its review, meron siyang 4.9 rated star reviews. So of course, just like other shoppers, if magandang reviews, add to cart agad, of course. So it took a week to deliver it to my front door, and I purchased few bottles. So medyo maliit pa ang review sa YouTube. So regarding this product, so I tried to make a first impression and review agad. So down below, may link na sa Shopee. So as you see, yung drainage talaga natin is medyo clog siya. So what I did is I tried to pour maybe half the bottle kasi yan yung instruction na nasa sticker, and then I pour hot water. After nyan, I just let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, from there, guys, it's all about waiting game. So I've waited for 40 minutes max and see if effective ba talaga itong drain cleaner na sinabi nila. So when I check it, it is really doing its thing. So I totally recommend this sa mga super host or sa mga host dyan na may problema sa mga drainage nila. So, would I really recommend this product? Yes. In fact, I suggest na bibili kayo ng medyo maraming bottles kasi it's just for a couple of bucks. Less than 100 pesos each. So, it's much better na mag-purchase kayo ng marami para makatipid kayo sa shipping fee. So, anyhow, thank you so much for your time, guys, and it's me again, Jared. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye!